Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the boot order on HP Victus 16. To change the boot order, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F10 key, and if you don't understand how to do it, there is a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to boot options, then you can go down to the UEFI boot order. And here you'll see exclamation marks in front of the boot options that are disabled, and they can be enabled just right here, like the USB boot or the network boot. You can enable or disable them. And in order to move an option to the top, point on it, then click on F6 to move it up or F5 to move it down. And the boot order just works in that way that it checks the first item on the list if it can boot from it. If it can, then it boots. If it can't, then it just goes to the next one, checks it, and basically does the same until it finds the option that is bootable. If it doesn't, then it'll open the boot menu, from which you can enter BIOS or one-time boot menu or whatever there is, like recovery or diagnostics. And if you don't want to change the boot order, but instead just want to boot from a certain device once, then in the boot up of the system, like you go into the BIOS with the F10 key. Instead of that, you can go with the F12 key to open one-time boot menu and just select the option that you want to boot from once. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.